Hello and welcome back to another hair tutorial showing you more super cute looks to try if you have right hemiplegia or just one damaged hand and you want to try something a little bit different. You don't just want to do the basic hairstyles. Well, that's what this video is all about, so let's just get into it. The first hairstyle I'm going to be showing you is the two little plait ponytails. I know that two ponytails are a staple when you're a child going to school and it's a really cute look. However, if you want to change up that look slightly, make it a little bit different, you can go with the two little plait ponytails. I'm going to show you how to do that. Now normally you would just do it like this and then do the other section and you would have two pigtails, but instead we're doing two little plait pigtails. So what you're going to do with this side is you're going to section off the top where you want to do the plait. Take as much or as little hair as you want to make it easier to do the plait. And then you will have a little plait in your hair, and then you're going to take the rest of the hair and there you have a little plait ponytail. Now you can just leave it as is, or you can remove this hair tie so it's just a little plait going into a ponytail. That option is up to you whether you want to remove the hair tie or not. And now we are going to do the same on the other side. And there you have two little plait ponytails, which are super cute and very different from just the normal two pigtails. And I think it's a really cute look for school or just to be a little bit different. Remove the hair ties if you want. And there you go. If, like me, you struggle to do French braids, here is another way that you can do them if you want to change up your look a little bit. Take what we have now, and what we're going to do is create little braid plaits. So you're going to take these little braids and you're going to plait them into the rest of your hair. And I think this is a really cute look because it's very similar to French braids, but it's kind of a two-step process, and it's for anyone who can't do French braids or just wants to create a different look. So with this one, we are going to take this braid, we're going to plait it into the rest of our hair. We're going to do that on both sides. And there we have a little braid into a plait. That is how you create two little braid plaits. I think these are super cute for just going to school or just hanging out, just to get the hair out of your face. All of that. It's a super cute look if you can't do French braids, and I really love it. For our third hairstyle, we're going to be doing the little braid plaits and turning them into little braid plait bun. So we're going to be taking these and tying them up and around into a bun. I love this hairstyle because at first glance it looks a lot more complicated than it actually is. It is a beautiful hairstyle that gets your hair out of your face, and like I said, you can do it with French braids as well. It's just an adorable look. Thank you so much for watching another hair tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you did, then don't forget to smash it a big thumbs up. Share this video with your friends if you liked it, and also don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell to get notified every time I upload a new video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!